Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to change the language in Gmail. Whether you feel more comfortable in a different language or just want to explore Gmail in a new way, this quick guide will make it easy. First, open your Gmail account and make sure you're signed in. Once you're in, look to the upper right corner for the cogwheel icon. This is your gateway to all Gmail settings. Click on it and a small menu will appear. Here, select See All Settings to open the full settings page. Inside the settings, head to the General tab. At the very top, you'll find the language section, which shows the current language Gmail is using. To change it, simply click on the language and a drop-down list will appear with all the languages Gmail supports. Scroll through and pick the one you want, whether it's French, Spanish, Japanese, or any other. After choosing your preferred language, don't forget to scroll down and hit Save Changes. This step is crucial because without saving, Gmail will keep your old language. Once saved, Gmail will refresh and everything from your inbox to the settings menu will appear in your new language. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can personalize Gmail to suit your language preference, making your email experience much more enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you make Gmail truly yours. Explore, experiment, and enjoy Gmail in the language you love.